Do you dream of a future where you're financially free, where you can retire early, travel the world, or simply enjoy life without worrying about money? Well, that may very much be possible with the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement savings account that offers incredible tax benefits. Unlike traditional IRAs where you pay taxes now and withdraw money tax-free later, a Roth IRA works in reverse. You contribute after-tax dollars, and your investments grow tax-deferred. That means when you withdraw your money in retirement, it's completely tax-free. When it comes down to where you can open a Roth IRA, Fidelity is a top choice. With their decades of experience, robust investment options, and excellent customer service, Fidelity offers a Roth IRA account that is one of the most popular among investors. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Paul, and in this video, we'll go over some of the simple steps to opening a Roth IRA on Fidelity and explore some popular investment options. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, make sure you watch until the end of this video. The first step you want to take is go to fidelity.com. Once you're on the site, you're going to click open an account right here. Click open an account. And once the page loads up, you're going to see retirements and IRA, planning and advice, brokerage account, and health savings account. So what we're going to click is retirement and IRAs here. So click open an account. Once you get to this screen, you're going to see rollover IRA, Roth IRA, and traditional IRA. You're going to click on Roth IRA. So click open a Roth IRA. So once you get to this page, it's going to ask you if you're already a Fidelity customer. We're going to click no today. And then so you can see that opening an account takes just a few minutes. You'll need to confirm your identity and yada yada yada, so click next. And once you get to this page, all you're going to do is fill out your information, and that's pretty much it. It's literally that simple. So once you've opened your account, you might be asking, what are some good investments to buy inside of a Roth IRA? Now, everyone's investment strategy is different, but for most people, index funds are a great choice simply due to the instant diversification that comes with buying index funds. Let's dive into some popular Fidelity index funds that you can possibly add to your portfolio. So the first index fund on today's list is the most popular Fidelity index fund, otherwise known as FXAIX. This is a Fidelity 500 index fund which basically tracks the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 index is an index of the 500 largest US companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and etc. Let's take a look at this index fund here. So we can see that the current price is $212 as of this recording. Year-to-date returns are almost 30%. You can see the overall rating is 5 stars, which is great. The returns are on the high side, the expenses are very low, and the risk of this category is in the middle, but a little bit more higher. You can see the performance here, 1 year returns of 33%, 3 years of 11%, 5 years of 15%, and 10 years of 13.34%. That's pretty amazing. If you scroll down here, you can see the expense ratio is just 0.015%, which means you pay just $1.50 per every $10,000 invested per year. This is one of the lowest expense ratios you can get with an index fund. And you can see here there's no minimum to invest. If you look on the right side here, you can see the purple being FXAIX and the blue being S&P 500 index. And you can see that they're pretty much the same. Like there's no difference in between the two lines. If you scroll down more, you can see the top 10 holdings in FXAIX. So Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, and etc. You scroll down more, you can see the top sectors, information technology, and the top country is the United States. FXAIX is an index fund that I currently own as well, and I buy into every single month. If you want to hold an index fund that tracks the S&P 500 from Fidelity, this is the one. Next, we have FSKAX, or the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. This fund basically seeks to track every single stock in the US stock market. You can see here that the current price is $169.55. The overall rating is 3 stars, which is pretty good. Returns are average to high, and expenses are very low, and the risk is similar to FXAIX. The performance on the right here is 34% in 1 year, 10% in 3 years, 15% in 5 years, and 12.84% in 10 years. You can see the expense ratio is also 0.015%, which is super low, which means you just pay $1.50 per $10,000 invested per year, and there's no minimum to invest. You can also see the graph on the right here of FSKAX and the Dow Jones US Total Stock Market Index, and they're basically identical. Like there's no differences between the two lines. It's pretty amazing. If you scroll down more, you can see the top 10 holdings. So Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, etc. And you can see that FSKX is also heavily concentrated in information technology. This is a great index fund to have inside of your portfolio if you want exposure to the entire US stock market instead of just S&P 500. Next up, we have FNCMX, or the Fidelity NASDAQ Composite Index Fund. This index fund seeks to track the NASDAQ Composite Index. You can see that the current price is sitting at $253.12. The overall rating is 4 out of 5 stars. The returns are average to high, and the expenses are very low as well. And you can see the risk is also on a little bit on the higher end, but it's also in the middle. You can see the performance here of 35% in 1 year, 8% in 3 years, 18% in 5 years, and 15.94% in 10 years. The expense ratio is 0.29%, so you would pay just $29 for every $10,000 invested per year, which is pretty low. There's no minimum to invest as well. And on the right side, you can see FNCMX versus the NASDAQ Composite Index, and there's basically no difference either between the two. You can also see that FNCMX is heavily concentrated inside information technology. This is a great index fund if you want more exposure to the NASDAQ Composite Index. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.